Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Tribonet. My name is Manoj. Today, let us understand about joint tribology, which is a part of biotribology. In the last video, we studied about the different areas which are focused in biotribology. That is, joint tribology, skin tribology, oral tribology, tribology of other human bodies or tissues, medical devices, animal tribology, and plant tribology. In this video, let us understand in particular about joint tribology. What is joint tribology? Tribological principles plays an important role in the understanding of how natural synovial joints operate and fail, as well as how artificial joints should be designed. Tribological studies of natural synovial joints and joint replacements are usually carried out in terms of friction, wear, and lubrication, with specific considerations of the biological natures of the joint system. Friction studies of the joint systems have been conducted to understand underlying tribological mechanisms, while the lubrication analysis and modeling is usually performed to provide further insights. Wear study is also most important since it directly affects the life of the natural and replaced joints. Here we can see the schematic representation of the human hip joint with the parts labeled, which are very important in studying the joint tribology. The studies in joint tribology mainly focus on the studies of the natural synovial joints and the artificial replacement. Firstly, let us understand about natural synovial joints. The natural synovial joints are examples of excellent tribological systems. The bearing surfaces are articular cartilage, while the lubricant is synovial fluid. Articular cartilage is generally described as a biphasic consisting of both solid, such as the collagen fibers, and ground substance rich in protoglycan and fluid phases. These are the unique biphasic properties are important consideration for the lubrication mechanisms in the synovial joint. In addition, synovial fluid has a number of important constituents such as the hyaluronic acid and lubricin, which are important for the lubrication of the joints. Here we can see the schematic representation of the synovial joint, that is, with the bone and the articular cartilage, the synovial membrane in between which there is the synovial fluid with the articular capsule, and the joint cavity containing the synovial fluid. Next, let us understand about artificial replacements. Artificial joints are used to treat the joint diseases such as the osteoarthritis and trauma. Friction, lubrication, and wear studies of the artificial joints are important consideration to optimize the performance of these man-made bearings to improve their clinical functions. Artificial joints are implanted in patients by surgeons, and therefore patient-specific variations of anatomy and loading motion and surgical techniques may well affect how the joint implant functions in the body. It is important that the tribological studies to be combined with the biological and clinical studies of the artificial joints. Here we can see the image of the artificial joint system. What are the future developments of joint tribology? The significant progress has been made in the understanding of the tribological mechanisms of the natural synovial joint and in the application of these engineering principles to improve the functions of the artificial joints. Currently, major efforts are still devoted to minimizing the wear and to increasing the lifespan of the processes. An alternative approach is to delay the joint replacement by introducing early interventions such as the cartilage repair and regeneration. All this means that tribological studies of both the natural synovial joints and the artificial replacements may even play an increased role in the future. Today, in this video, we understood what is the joint tribology and what are the main fields in the joint tribology or the studies which are focused in joint tribology, that is on the synovial fluid and the artificial replacements, and what are the future developments of joint tribology. These are the references for the information provided in this video, and thank you for watching this video. To get more details on the topics related to tribology, follow us on our social media pages on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Tribonet. Also visit our website on www.tribonet.org.